Hey, it's Sammy on Friday the 13th. We got 6 trades on Dow Futures today, 196 total points. So, hey, all you superstitious traders out there, data trumps. This is our first trade. It's a pre-market trade. We got some pretty good data. We are breaking through VWAP and we're heading down towards yesterday's close and that red line, which is the first deviation band. Of course, we're going to protect this trade since we're trading pre-market. Pre-market trading, there's not a lot of volume, so the trade's protected. We're going to go ahead and close it as we approach this yesterday close with 23 points. So we're jumping back in this trade as it's chopping around this yesterday close. We're going to try and take this trade down all the way to 23.6 Fibonacci level. Let's see how it works out. We're also going to protect that trade by moving that stop loss into profit. Now you can see we're hitting this deviation band. We could make the decision to lock in here. We are pre-market. There's not enough volume probably to pull through. Let's see what happens. And we end up with a break even. This is why we use a break even to protect our sanity and protect our bank account. Now this is our opening trade. We're finally picking up volatility breaks and 1 minute data. The open at the left-hand side over here was just real weak data. There was no data alignment or anything. We finally have a short time frame. We're just going to work our way up and see what happens here. So we've got short time frame data. We're hitting the deviation band. That's this green line here. So we're going to go ahead, and we also have this trade protected. We're going to go ahead and lock in 44 points right here. The market actually has a short bias or trend on higher time frames. So really what we were trading at the open by going long was just a simple pullback on the high time frames. Now we've got the signature soda reversal off the high of day coming out of that 38.2 Fibonacci level. You can see we're breaking this trend line and coming right back down towards yesterday's close. Locking in 46 point profit. Each point is worth $5 per contract. Now we're breaking through. Sorry I had to record this one on my phone. I was on a Zoom call with a member, but you can see we have really good data now. We are jamming down through the deviation lines and locking in at yesterday's low. And we're locking in 39 points. This is our last trade as we're breaking deviation. We're heading from yesterday's low all the way down to the negative 23.6 Fibonacci extension and the third deviation band. Got the trade protected. You can see how incredibly fast these trades move when we're breaking deviation, and we have tons of momentum, tons of sentiment, 6 time frames worth, and then 2 volatility breaks to lock in 44 point take profit.